Hi guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today, and I just did the eyes in this video and the lips and also my highlights and my blush. Now this video is a little bit different. This is raw uncut eye makeup. I have not edited this. I just put them together, put some cool transitions in there, and it's raw uncut as you're getting it same. So yeah, that's basically it. Really, and everything I use, that's it in the video, so nothing will be in the description bar to say I use this. Everything is in the video. And also, but do check the description bar because I have my vlog channel down there and I have a lot of other goodies down there for you. So yeah, that's basically it, and I'll talk to you guys. My next video is really long, so I'm just talk right now. But don't talk, but don't bye. Alright guys, to start off this eye look, I'm going to take Urban Decay's Delinquent, and just a 24/7 glide on pencil, and I'm going to put this right at the edge here. And should I put it on the inside? Yeah, put it on the inside here as well. And because of my eye shape, I have semi-hooded lid. I'm literally putting it on just the part that when I open my eyes that you can see. Even when I open my eyes, it's still kind of can't see it. But yeah, so I'm just putting it right on this ear. I'm not going into my crease at all. And my crease, which is right here. Alright? So that's what I'm doing. So at this point, I'm just trying to make sure that I get it even. Stop. Man keep jumping up on me and I don't know what him want, and he might pressure me. Alright. So then I'm going to take, hold on, things are dropped. Hold on, Elon. I'm going to take what is his name again? NYX's Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and it has things on it, so I'm just kind of cleaning it off. And I'm going to put this in the middle. The middle. Alright, so that's gonna go in the middle. I hope this is even. Hold on there. Alright then, mirror to this not look even, you know. Hold on, I'm trying to take this even on both sides. Alright, so then I'm going to go in with a pink, and I'm going to take my Sedona lace 305 brush, and this is Wet and Wild BH Wet and Wild. This is because it's Wild at Heart. Anyway, BH Cosmetics Wild at Heart palette. Oop, but it didn't need a jab. It needed a jab. Then I'm going to take, I don't know why I'm like this morning. Then I'm going to take this pink right here, which ain't nothing to look at, to be honest with you. Tap that off, then put it right in the middle. Oh, you know what? I should probably lay down some catch powder because I'm not about to mess up my face. Alright, so going back with the pink again. Flatten my brush top off. Then I'm going to pat that onto the area that has the white. Alright, here we go. And as I said, notice it's just on my lid and nowhere else. Oh, I mean, these colors are so vibrant in person, and this is just wigging me out, man. Scraping me out, man. It is, man. So I'm going to take my Sedona Lace 954 brush, and this is a smaller, fix the bristles. This is a smaller brush. It's my hand don't dry, it's powder. It's a smaller brush. And yeah, because I need to get into these little areas. So I'm going to be taking this purple that is across from the pink, and I'm going to pat this on. The morning kind of cool still. I don't need to up on the fan. That's why I prefer filming in the mornings because it's so cool. And due to I'm gonna do I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna shop. I can't just look so good and sitting there also just so black. Going back with the pink. Just going to add some more. And okay, so this is what I'm doing. Once I add it in the middle where I want most of the color to be, I'm just going to take the side of the brush and kind of feather the pink over onto the purple, and that will help to blend the two. See? Then I'm going to go in with my Sedona lace. All on there. I'll use the blue pads. Sedona lace EB15 brush, and I'm going at the end, and I'm just going to blend out the ends. I'm thinking, what am I going to do there? If I should do a cut crease. I'm just blend out the ends and see how I feel. I don't know what I'm doing today. I just know I wanted to do pink in the middle and purple on the outside. Should I do a smoky? I don't know. Just blending out the ends here. Alright, let me just do this from now. Then I'm going to take my Shades by Gal Baked Hydrating Powder Foundation in Deep. And this is Sedona Lace 941 brush. Using the tip. And I'm just going to pat that on. And then brush this down. And then I'm going to take my e.l.f. contouring blush and bronzer duo. I'm going to take the dark side here using the tip of my brush, and I'm going to apply that right where the colors end. So this is going directly in my crease rather. And you see how when I'm blending the color, how some of the purple going away at the side? That means I'm going to have to add some more purple. That tends to happen whenever you're blending your eyeshadows. It tends to go away. No problem, you just add it back. It's just that simple. No need to get all huffily puffily about it. Alright, so let me go back in with the purple. Right on the outside. Alright, so let me see. I think I'm going to do a cut crease. Should I do a blue? I think I'm going to do a blue. What else? I think I'm going to do a blue cut crease. I should move my trash can. I'm going to do a blue cut crease, and I'm using my Princessa pencil, and this is in the color Slate Blue. And let me get closer to you. Alright, I don't know if you saw what I just did. I just realized that it wasn't filming. It's so embarrassing. Alright, so I just used Slate Blue, and I just did this. Right, just draw some line. But because it's the blue and I don't want the blue to get lost, I am going to add It's Your Face Cosmetics Black, Nero 01. And I'm putting it right at the base here. Right where the blue and the little purple meet. I'm just going to draw a black line, and that's just to create some depth. Alright, so then I'm going to take, where is it? Here we go, my Sedona Lace 904 brush. I'm going to blend up the blue, so I'm blending it up, and I'm going over, so you have that kind of effect. So I'm blending just at the top, not at the base. Notice I'm not at the base, at the top. Then I'm bringing over whatever is on the brush over onto this side. Me thirsty. Right at the edge. Bringing that over. Then I'm going to go in again with the black right at the base. Black right at the base. Then I'm going to lightly just blend out the black. Lightly, lightly, lightly. I'm barely touching it. Just don't want there to be like a line that's there. So barely touching it. Barely touching the black. See? Alright, do I need to do a blue? I'm wondering if I need to add blue. I think I have two of these brushes. This one's a little bit dirty, but this is my another 954 brush, and I really think I want to go in with this blue here. This blue down here, so that blue right there. Let me step back a little bit. Feel so close. I feel so close. So then I'm just going to pat this on this area right here. Pat it on the area, and I'm avoiding touching the black. So I'm using the side of the brush. I'm avoid touching the black. Alright. So then I'm going to just go in again with my 904 brush from Sedona. Kind of clean that up a little bit. Then going at the edges. I'm just blending that out. Just blending that out. Just at the edges. Just at the edges. Then I'm going to go in with an angled brush, and this is the Sedona Lace 5. So this is just a Sedona Lace 561 brush, going in with the black, and this is my Take Me to Brazil palette. And I'm just going over that black. Taking the, is this 95 or the 904 brush again, and right where the black and the blue meet, just blending out lightly, barely touching it. Going in with that black again from the palette. And the reason why this works is because the we'll have the black eyeliner pencil that's down there, so it works. Just blending the two together lightly. Then going back in with the black eyeliner pencil from It's Your Face Cosmetics. Just drawing that line there. Then taking the angle brush, which is the 561, and I'm just basically blending by just pushing onto the black eyeliner pencil. Oh, let me just get rid of this right here. So I'm taking my LB01 and I'm just going to bring down the color that's already up here onto the blue to kind of blend that out a little bit. And let me just go with the same palette I used. Kind of put him right up here, so. Clean that off a little bit. Bring that over. And at this point, I'm just blending. Alright, so for my eyes, I'm going to do pink first. And this is just, I think the company is called Diva, but look how small it is. Oh my god. Lyric, really. So I'm putting this on my waterline to prepare it for another color, like the eyeshadow. I will rise. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with the purple, which is Delinquent from Urban Decay. And these colors are going on my lash line. Your lash line, that's where your lashes grow from, and your waterline is this bit that's in here, right? So that's on my lash line. Again, this. Oh, this color is Clash by Urban Decay. And it's a blue. So I just got an idea to do something with the purple, so let me just try it. Don't know if this is gonna work. I think we need another purple pencil, a small one. But I'm going to bring the purple down a little bit. Alright, so when I do the eyeshadow, that will show up some more. So let me zoom in so I can show the eye work. So again, I'm using my Wild at Heart, and I'm taking this pink that I used before, remember, what I've been using on my eyes. And I'm going to, that's on my 561 brush, spray that with Fix Plus. Have no idea why I'm doing that. Get some more. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, it worked. Top off. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. So for every color that I put on, I clean off the brush. So now I'm going to go in with the, is that purple? Well, this purple. The same color that I've been using. I'm gonna get the Fix Plus. Or I can just dip the brush in water. I mean, it really doesn't matter. Really. Okay, here we go. This is the moment of truth. Because remember I said that I want to bring this down. Work? Nope, fail. Oh, epic fail. Moving on. Then the blue I'm going to be using is this one from the Beach Cosmetics Party Girl palette. I mean, Take Me to Brazil palette. Same blue I used in this area. Same blue I'm using now. Oh, that's not bad at all. Not bad. Very nice. Let me bring down this blue some more. Alright, so I'm going to fan this away. Wait there. Alright, this is my Wet n Wild Mega Liner Liquid Liner. This is this one here. And I'm going to do something that I've been very fond of for the past couple of weeks. So I'm going to go under the blue. Then I'm going to go where I draw the line up, I'm going to go down. Then fill in this area. Like that. Then I'm just going to go right on top, draw a really thin line. Just on top like that. I just want a thin line. Oh, it's even. I rarely get this even. That's so cool. Okay, the sun is all over my face. Time still cool. Me feel like a breeze of blue. I just want a line to be drawn there. Nothing too fancy. You know the eyeliner police are out there. Alright, so the lashes that I'm using are by it's a brand called Cara, and it just says 100% human lashes. I mean 100% human hair, and it's number 28. Not sure if I can see, but they're kind of spiky. Oh, and the glue I use is Lash Grip Eye Adhesive. That one. So I applied it before, I mean the glue. So now I'm just going to stick these lashes on. Sorry, I wasn't talking. I basically just stick the lashes on, but when I cut these lashes, right, and when I cut them, let me show you. This like is what came off when I cut it. So I'm going to apply this, and I'm going to apply it upside down. Not sure where yet. Should I apply it here? Here. Oh, it's here. Okay. So I'm going to put a little bit of the lash grip adhesive, just a little bit. Lord God, it takes forever to squeeze out. And these lashes correspond, so this bit came from this side over here, and this piece came from this lash over here.
Okay, so there's been a lot of times in my reviews where I've told you this hair says it's virgin, but based on the texture, I don't think that it's virgin. It probably was at a point.
Alright guys, so I've got my wig on because I need to do an update on this hair. Right, so I am just going to put on Cosmo Pop by Lime Crime. It's like an orangey color. And whenever I put it on my lipstick, I always leave space on the outside. That's where my pencil goes. Then I'm going to take Miss Kalish 208 lip liner. Are you hearing Malibu doll face in the... He has a 7-hour video which I'm going to sit and watch because he's talking some real stuff about hair companies. So anyway, yeah. Alright, so what I've been loving, I'm going to move on now to the rest of my face, and I've been loving this Hourglass dim light bubble, but I'm going to try, I forgot which one I used in my last try, but I'm going to try this one, and this one is Radiant Light here. Then I'm going to use Jordana's Cinnamon Spice. Oh, and the brush that I use is my Sedona Lace LB05 to apply the Hourglass, and I'm going to use my Sedona Lace FB05. Alright, the video just ended. Oh, anyway, let's move on. Alright, so yeah, that's it. That's basically it, you guys. I'm done with everything. The eyes, the lips, the face. I'm basically done. Yay! So I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It was very in-depth, and I'm quite sure it's long. It's probably over 20 minutes maybe, and I will not be editing anything out. So really hope you guys enjoy this kind of raw uncut makeup tutorial. And if you like raw uncut makeup tutorial like these, just let me know. Let us sister now, bye. So I can just kind of get into the habit of making videos like these. Yeah, so that's basically it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.